Myself Dr. Girija Mangalagatti from Government First Grade College, Bidar. So in this video I am going to explain De Morgan's theorem. This theorem is used to solve the Boolean expression in digital circuits. According to this theorem, he stated two statements. First one is complement of the sum of variables is equal to the product of their individual complements. That is complement of the sum of variables a, b, c. There may be number of variables that must be equal to product of their individual complements. Next, second statement is complement of the product of variables is equal to the sum of their individual complements. These are the two statements which are given by the De Morgan. So first we will prove first statement. In order to prove this theorem, we have to take only two variables. After that, we will put or substitute all the possible values of two variables, that is a and b, and we will prove that LHS is equal to RHS for every cases. So first case is when a is equal to 0, b is equal to 0. LHS is equal to complement of the sum, that is complement of a plus b is equal to, we have to substitute a as 0, b as 0. So 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 bar is 1. It is LHS. RHS is equal to a bar dot b bar. So substitute the value of a and b, that is 0 bar dot 0 bar. 0 bar is 1. 1 dot 1 is 1. So LHS becomes equal to RHS in case of case 1. Similarly, we have to substitute a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 1 in LHS as well as in RHS. So a plus b whole bar is there. A is 0, b is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 bar is 0. In case of RHS, a bar dot b bar, 0 bar dot 1 bar, that is equal to 0 bar is 1, 1 bar is 0, 1 into 0 or 1 dot 0 is 0. Therefore, here also LHS becomes equal to RHS. Similarly, when a is 1 and b is 0, we get LHS is equal to 0 and RHS as 0. Here in this case also LHS becomes equal to RHS. In fourth case, when a is 1 and b is 1, if we substitute the value of a and 1 as 1, 1, 1 bar is 0. In case of RHS, a bar dot b bar is there. 1 bar dot 1 bar is 0. 0 into 0 is 0. So in all the four cases we got LHS is equal to RHS. Hence this theorem is proved. If we draw the truth table or write the truth table for this first statement, a and b are two variables. LHS is nothing but a plus b whole bar. RHS is nothing but a bar dot b bar. If we write all the possibilities of a and b here, and we write when a is 0, b is 0, LHS is also 1, RHS is also 1. So we have written like this. 0 and 1 means 0, 0. For all the three cases, we are getting LHS and RHS both as 0, 0. So this is the truth table for the first statement of De Morgan's theorem. Now we have to draw the circuit diagram for LHS as well as RHS. We know that a plus b whole bar is the Boolean expression for NOR gate. So LHS needs one NOR gate. So NOR gate output is a plus b whole bar. RHS is nothing but a bar dot b bar is there. If we give input to NOT gate, output of that NOT gate becomes a bar. And here also, if we give b as input for another NOT gate, output of that becomes b bar. If we apply these two to AND gate, output of that becomes a bar dot b bar. Hence, this is the circuit diagram for statement of De Morgan's first theorem, LHS as well as for RHS. Similarly, we will prove the second statement. Second statement is nothing but complement of the product is equal to sum of their individual complements. Here also we have to substitute the all possible values of a and b, all the values of a and b in LHS as well as in RHS. So first LHS is equal, when a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 0, LHS becomes equal to a dot b whole bar is equal to 0 dot 0 whole bar. 0 dot 0 is 0, so 0 bar is 1. In RHS, if we substitute a as 0 and b as 0, 0 bar plus 0 bar is 1, again 0 bar is 1, 1 plus 1 is 1. So LHS is equal to RHS in first case. Second case, when a is 0 and b is 1, if we substitute the value in LHS, we got 1. In RHS, if we substitute A as 0 and B as 1, then that also becomes equal to 1. Hence, in case 2 also, we have LHS is equal to RHS. Similarly, in case 3 and case 4, we have LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, for all the 4 cases here also we get LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, the second statement is also proved. Here also we have to write truth table. Variables are taking as A and B. LHS here becomes A dot B whole bar. RHS is A bar plus B bar. A is, we have to write all the possibilities of A and B here first. For 0, 0, LHS and RHS are 1, 1. For 0, 1, LHS and RHS are 1, 1. For 1, 0, LHS and RHS are 1, 1. For fourth case, when A is 1, B is 1, LHS and RHS are 0, 0 in case of second statement. Next, coming to the circuit diagram for second statement. A dot B whole bar is the Boolean expression for NAND gate. So here LHS requires one NAND gate. RHS is nothing but A bar plus B bar is there. A bar and B bar, we know that if we apply any input to the NOT gate, output of that becomes complement. So we use two NOT gates and output of those two are given to OR gate, because in between these two variables plus sign is there. So we have to apply these two inputs to OR gate. OR gate output is nothing but A bar plus B bar. So these two statements are used to solve the Boolean expressions easily as compared to Boolean algebra. Thank you.